sold some of my old clothes on my carousel a few weeks ago and I missed out one package, so I need to go and ship this out later today. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a really long time, but it's actually only been 2 weeks. I spent my first day of Chinese New Year at my grandma's house. My relatives came to visit us on the 2nd and 3rd day, and the 4th or the 5th day I think I went for a Chinese New Year dinner with my friends. So every single day was kind of packed for me, and I just kind of want to be in the moment and not have to worry about like editing and working in the back of my mind. I realized that I did take breaks quite often this year, but I'm not going to beat myself up about it because this is something that I'm trying to work on this year. Wait, low battery. I just changed my camera's battery, so I'm sorry if there's a change of angle. And as for last week, I wasn't planning on taking a break, but I was just busy working on my crochet with me video. I just didn't have time to do anything else last week, so I didn't vlog. So yeah, I'm back. I just received these packages in the mail, so let me do a little unboxing. I'm gonna start off with this small package. I bought a fisheye lens for my phone from Shopee. I used to have this when I was in high school and it used to be really popular, so I got one to play with. Okay, so this is actually not for me. My friends and I got this for my friend Cian as her birthday gift. I'm gonna put it back. I didn't know this was the shoes while I was looking at the box because it looks like it's something for kids. We got this from Kick Roller on Instagram. I kind of want a pair for myself so that we can go roller skate together. But yeah, that's all. I'm wearing black pants for the first time in a very long time today, and I feel like a new person. I just got ready because I'm gonna be going to the dentist today. I am finally starting my aligners treatment, which I'm really excited about, but I'm not gonna talk too much about it because I'm making a separate video on it. And after my appointment, I think we're gonna go for lunch and maybe do some shopping because I need to get some stuffs. So yeah. Guys, I just got done with my dental appointment and I'm wearing my first set of aligners now, which is why I'm talking weird. But now I'm gonna go meet up with Tyler because he's waiting for me and we're gonna go get lunch. I don't need that. Oh my god. This is my first time visiting Dong Dong Dong. Wow, this stuff is tricky. Try this out. Okay.
네. 너도 나잖아. 예. 그래. 오. 그러니까 생각 장관이 비반지. Table instantaneous after surgery. I do like.
加要嚟又食加，
I am sick.
飽啦呢東西。
Ini ke potato thumbs up. Somebody bought new clothes.
I'm gonna be with a baby.
I've never been with a baby.
I'm not being a
And
baby.
the only thing I got is sweet potato.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! My niece made this for me, so I asked her to teach me how to do it, and I made one for Tyler. I'm sorry if I'm talking a bit weird because I am still trying to get used to my aligners, which is why I kind of have a lips now. This L-I-S-P, lips. I can't pronounce that with this thing on. Currently waiting for Tyler to get off work so that we can go for dinner. We're not doing anything fancy, just going out for dinner and spend time together. So yeah. If you guys are wondering what this is a punch needle thing that I'm currently working on. This is the design. I started this few days ago without thinking about Valentine's Day, but this is quite fitting for the theme today.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Aw, cute! Oh, and cute!
Come here. Come here. Hi.